The Freamsters, yo! Let's go!
Yeah. Alright.
Morning, Freamsters.
Oh, cool.
How's everyone doing?
Cool.
Good, my mavs. Morning.
What up, y'all? We got me right here. We got Maverick right here. So we're gonna go into Maverick's mind. Oh, you? We go into Brody's mind. Today, I'm just gonna have a great day at school. Dad, I love football. The Super Bowl's coming up. And a lot of things are just going in my mind right now. I mean, I'm a big fan of the Seahawks.
Whatever. Panthers are going to the Super.
Guys,
Are you aiming?
I'm aiming.
Are you looking? You gonna shoot them? You gonna take down the bad guys as we make our way home? Officer Maverick.
Sniper Maverick.
When?
It's going good. How are you doing, baby?
Good. Trying to get your trim pieces off so you can pressure wash this thing?
You got it.
Good.
Slowly but surely getting there.
Getting there. Like adorable. You're so adorable. You have peanut butter in your hair. Just in case you get some gum in there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just in case.
Yeah.
Num num num. Num 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 num.
So fly screwdriver.
How's your deconstruction going?
It's going good, baby.
Yeah.
Yep.
So far so successful.
Yep.
Good. Almost ready to clean this thing.
Almost ready to start pressure working.
Looks like this right now. I don't know if you guys can see that.
So last time it's gonna look like this.
It's dirty. Dirty, dirty. How's it going, you little popcorn snacker? You having fun? Just chilling out with your bear, watching Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Yeah, enjoying some little popcorn snacks. I love him. It's so cute. Yeah, I'm recording you.
While eliminating the fenders.
Hello, ladies. Oh, caught you yawning, huh? Watching some Barrett Jackson live coverage from Scottsdale. Awesome. Yep. Rush Club's coming up. Okay, Freamsters, thanks for watching. If you guys made it this far into the video, click one of the links below, support us by doing that, and check out some of our other projects, or just leave a thumbs up to say you like the video. Subscribe to the channel to get new content. We put it out every day. And leave a comment below about some of the stuff you saw, or if you have any questions for us. We're pretty good about getting back at those. Thanks for watching again, guys. Bye.
Yeah, I present to you the Freamsters, yo! Let's go! Yeah, I present to you the Freamsters, yo! Let's go! The Freamsters. The Freamsters. Free boys from free baby mamas. Empty ass pockets, all kinds of drama. Dad Cody, videos and guns. Running barefoot for the buddy. The rest is just for fun. Next up we got Mom Melissa, who's gorgeous and kind. Gorgeous and kind. And yo, I must say, what a great behind. Oh no, did I overstep the line? The oldest kid's Christy in the head of the wolf pack. So get back, yo, get back. The middle kid's Brody, we call him B Money, cause he's handsome and funny, you know we'll get all the honeys. Then we got baby Maverick, the name says it all, he's the star of the show. Gonna be 7 feet tall, yeah you already know. This is how the Freamsters roll.